Hi there, today we're going to take a look at Aurora from Ravensburger's Disney Castle collection. This 1,000 piece puzzle features Sleeping Beauty and a look inside of her castle. So let's take a closer look. Here we have Aurora in all of her blonde hair and her pink dress. And here we have Merryweather, Fauna, and Flora, the fairy godmothers. And of course we have her castle down here. I actually skimmed through the movie and matched up with the silhouette of her castle in the movie to this one. And it actually matches really well. In the movie, there's a couple more spires added in the background, but the basic shape of it is pretty much the exact same. I was surprised. I thought maybe this would be a different interpretation of it or something, but no, it matches up really well. Although I think a few of the rooms were taken from Maleficent's castle, like this area here, and this looks like the dungeon that Prince Philip was in Maleficent's castle. But other than that, it matches up pretty well. We have the throne room here, a little kitchen, there's the banquet hall. But I do think these two rooms were switched around in the movie, because I believe in this room is where Maleficent hypnotizes Sleeping Beauty, and then they go up the staircase and up and around, because right up above that we have the spinning wheel room that she touches and falls asleep, of course. And then we have her bedroom up here. So if you saw my last video, and you know we did the Snow White puzzle and worked out a really good strategy for that. So this one, I think, to confirm that strategy, we'll do it basically the same. We'll start with Aurora, and then probably do the fairy godmothers, and then we'll do the framework of the castle, all the walls and the floors or ceilings, whichever you'd prefer, and probably throw in the tops of the towers here too. So that way we can come down off of those and work up from the bottom. It worked out pretty good last time, and then finish off with the sky. If you haven't seen the Snow White video, I'll put a link in the description, because I also go through and show you all 10 of the puzzles from the castle collection. Let's crack this baby open and see what we got.
10737411824. Don't be scared, that tree's got your hair. Hands off Father, we let go. Hands off Father, we let go. Time is limitless, you are endless. Above is below, let go. 10737411824. Ignore me, sell it for 1824. 10737. Don't be scared, the sky knows your speed. Hands off Father, we let go. Hands off Father, we let go. Time is limitless, you are endless. Above is below, 3741824. Ignore me, sell it for 1824.
We are finished. Well, almost. I was getting towards the end and realized I was missing a piece. So, of course, I went and looked on the floor like you do, and I didn't find a piece. I actually found two pieces. Apparently, one of my sugar gliders, Gilbert, he climbed up here and grabbed a piece at some point and decided to just chew it right in half. But what are you going to do? I guess I have to figure something out with that. The whole time I've been puzzling, none of my sugar gliders have ever messed with any of my puzzles, so I'm going to have to watch out. Really enjoyed this one. It's a little bit harder than Snow White was, but not too much. She has a lot more hair. Something that tripped me up a little bit, her face is really pink. So it's hard to tell at the beginning what was part of her dress and what was her face, but it still wasn't too bad. So after I finished up there, I did put the three ladies up here together and then came down, did the tops of the towers there, and then came down, started filling this in a little bit just so I'd have something to connect this to. I knew that those were easy to find. And this bright red was pretty easy too, so I could have something to start off with. But like the Snow White one, these lines, the floors and the walls, they were probably the hardest part of the puzzle. But filling it in, I zipped right through it, not a problem at all. And then of course I finished up with the sky. And this area up here and over here was a little tougher because it's pretty much the same color blue. I really enjoyed this one and I recommend it for you to try. I'm off to start the next one. Here's another princess video for you to enjoy.